New data on the budget SE iPhone 2. New colors and the likely price, iPhone SE 2. Price, specifications. When will the new iPhone SE 2 come out? iPhone SE 2 will resemble iPhone 8. Apple has not confirmed any rumors about the release of a new generation of iPhone SE 2. However, experts continue to provide more and more fresh information about this smartphone, if it does come out anyway. The famous Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo even announced the price of a state employee. According to the publication, Ming-Chi Kuo confirmed the information that we had heard before, that the specification of the new device will be very similar to the iPhone 8. New rumors about the budget iPhone SE 2, fresh rendering images have appeared. What's new? Ming-Chi Kuo also assured that the iPhone SE 2 will receive memory configurations, 64GB and 128GB. Also, in addition to the usual colors, silver and space gray, engineers will add another color, red. So, we see another borrowed feature of the iPhone 8. At the same time, it was previously known that the future state employee will receive a new top-end processor A13 and 3. The new iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro are equipped with this. Regarding the design, then experts predict him a thick frame and a classic home button. The fingerprint scanner will be placed on the same button. Price iPhone SE 2. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo also announced the likely price of the alleged new items. According to him, the cost of the iPhone SE 2 will start at $399.